Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Zinput 1_4 deal blocked by BattlEye in GTA 5 Enhanced. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred game launcher. Over here, go to Settings. After that, in the General tab, find the BattlEye option and toggle it off. Then, launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. After that, navigate to the GTA V installation directory. See Program Files Rockstar Games Grant Theft Auto V. Over here, find the Dinput 8, DLL and Zinput 1_4 DLL files and rename them. If the game doesn't launch properly after renaming, then try deleting them. Then open the Rockstar Games launcher. After that, go to Settings and select GTA V under My Installed Games. Then click Verify Integrity. After that, restart the launcher and launch the game. If the issue still exists, then visit the Microsoft DirectX download page and click Download. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to install DirectX. Then restart your PC and check the game again. So that's basically how you can fix Zinput 1_4 deal blocked by BattlEye in GTA 5 Enhanced. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.